Today I'm going to be giving you guys some training drills you can do with your katana or your training sword. Practice doing your basic strikes coming from overhead, side, horizontal, low, and do your stabs in between. Work on doing your overheads, coming back, stepping in, doing the left, step in to the right, come back to center. You're gonna go horizontal, stepping in to the right, working on your low strikes, or you can also step in, starting with your right leg in front, your left leg in the back. Bring the sword up, strike down, step in, and then pull back when you step back. Stepping in, striking down, come back. You can also do it consecutively, going forward and then striking down when you're stepping back as well. That training drill can also be done with any of your other basic strikes. Learn how to step in, work on that left strike, the right strike, doing high, mid, and low. Try to work on different strikes while stepping in and then stepping back. Step forward, strike low, step forward, strike low. Turn around, strike low. Going up, step, strike, strike. So learning how to strike forward, turn around, strike behind, shift your footing, strike down. Try to go at an angle to the right when you come in this way, to the left. Another one, horizontal, turn around, again on the other side. Try to make sure you're bringing the sword up, swinging to the left, over your head, to the right. Shift your legs, the weight in your legs, so that way you're facing the other side easily. Another good training drill is stepping in, undercut, step back, strike down. If you have enough space where you're training, you can also do all of these training drills going straight, taking 10 steps forward, 10 steps back. If you're limited in space, just do 2 to 3 steps forward, and then 2 to 3 steps back. 2 strikes to the top, 2 strikes low. Left, right, left, right. Shift your footing. You can either step to the side and then put the other leg behind you, or you can shift all at once. Work on going slow and then start adding speed. Step in, horizontal, strike down. Step in, horizontal, and down. When working with your katana, try to drill in 2 to 3 different moves that you already know of your basic strikes, and that can be its own drill in itself. So coming up high, one to the low side, then another mid. High, low, mid. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys at the next one.